Okay, I need to get to the idler pulley nut, which is on the drive belt, which is under this fender. And so I'm gonna take this fender off. This is my first time taking it off, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. First thing is to take the battery out and the battery holder. Okay, and then here you can see my model number right there. Then I'm gonna remove this clip here under the seat. Just pry it with a screwdriver. It comes right off. Now my mower is probably going to be a little different than yours. Somebody's already removed the safety switches, so I don't have to deal with them, but you would want to remove that now. And now I'm going to remove the seat and just these two side bolts. I don't think I have to, but it'll make it a little easier to lift the fender. It's a 13mm and a 16 on the outside. And you may have a spring on your seat too. You'll have to remove that from one end. Mine is gone. Okay, I got the seat off. Now pull this handle off. Now I've already got the deck off. So pull this off. I'm gonna remove this nut or bolt off the brake pedal to get the brake pedal off. Now yours may be different. It's a 13mm. Okay, looks like I gotta remove both those bolts. Okay, yep, that did it. Now I'm gonna remove these two bolts here that are under the sticker. Somebody's already removed the sticker. Now up here on the top corner there should be a carriage bolt, but mine is missing. Also on the right side here, mine's missing. But you'll want to take those out if you have them. Okay, I think I still need to take off these two bolts here. So I'm going to do that. It's a 1/2 inch, 13mm should work too. Okay, so this is allowing me to lift this up. Only other thing I think I need to do is loosen these two bolts so that this won't be holding it. I had to pick up the rubber mat to get to that second bolt. Okay, I got that loose. Now that doesn't come out as far as I know, but it should come up when I lift the fender. So I'm just gonna try to lift this up out of here. Okay, I decided to take the reverse pedal off, and then I was able to get that out of there. So that'll make this lift up a little easier. Okay, coming up over this back springs, and it's coming right out. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And here is the bolt that I've been trying to get to. Right there. Wait a minute. Okay, no, it's this bolt right here. This is the bolt that holds the tensioner and the flat pulley, which I'm trying to replace. And I see these bolts are accessible now for this thing. I don't think I'm gonna have to remove that, but I will leave a link now for the process of changing out the drive tensioner flat pulley. To put the fender back on, just slip it over the front there. Make sure you get this lifter guide in and slip it over these coils. Make sure your plug is out and accessible. Get the accelerator pedal threaded back through, and then put in these two bolts, and those two bolts lightly. Okay, looks like missing two bolts here. They were not there. So I tightened up those two, and now I'll tighten these. Put the rubber handle on, the seat, the battery, when you put this accelerator panel on, put the bottom bolt in first. Before you tighten the bottom bolt, make sure the top one thread's okay. You kind of got to pull up on this pedal to get it in the right spot. On this side, you can put both bolts in at the same time and just gradually tighten them.